Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install my presets into Lightroom Mobile even if you didn't pay for the full version. If you have Adobe Creative Cloud, after you install my presets into your Lightroom Classic or Lightroom CC, your presets will be available in your personal cloud, and after you can download them into your Lightroom app, no matter if you are on a mobile phone or you're on a tablet. So let's get started. After you purchase the preset pack, all you need to do is go into your email and click the download link. After you click on the link, you'll be able to download the presets. The presets will be into a zip file that you are able to download on your phone, no matter if you're on an iPhone or if you are on an Android phone, you will be able to download it and save it in your phone. To unzip the file, just click on the folder after the download is finished. And now you will be able to see the files. All the files are DNG files containing all the information you need to import the preset. Now go into your Lightroom mobile app and click on the blue icon to import the files. Then you can find your folder containing the preset, and now you can import it just by selecting it. You can also select multiple items at the time to import all the presets at once. After successfully imported all the DNG files, now all you need to do is to create a preset by copying the settings of the DNG file that you want. Just choose the effect that you want, let's say the number 8, click on the icon on top of the right corner and create a new preset. Name your preset, I'm gonna call it the influencer number 8. I'm gonna also choose to import the optics, and now the preset is ready installed on my app. And now is ready to be applied on the image that I desire. And that's it. Now to export, just click on the top right corner and save your image into the gallery. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and see you in the next one.